If you love historic homes and don't mind a project, this Virginia property could be something truly special. Zoned RM2 and positioned on an elevated corner lot, this colonial-era farmhouse-style home offers character, flexibility, and the rare advantage of two additional lots. Original wood flooring and a striking entryway showcase craftsmanship that simply can't be replicated today. The rooms have been virtually staged to help you envision the layout and imagine how this space could become your own. The main level flows comfortably from a bright living room to a dining area and into a functional kitchen featuring refreshed countertops, updated cabinet hardware, new ceramic tile backsplash, improved lighting, a breakfast nook, and new laminated flooring. A standout space is the fairytale style library with custom wood shelving, tall ceilings, and abundant natural light, ideal as a study, creative retreat, or possible third bedroom. Thoughtful updates have already been completed, including electrical improvements, new GFCI outlets, replaced plumbing lines in key areas, and a brand new HVAC system for modern comfort. Both bathrooms have been refreshed, and the home includes 4 fireplaces, 2 gas on the main level and 2 wood-burning upstairs, adding warmth and charm throughout. Upstairs, 2 charming bedrooms feature freshly painted walls, updated closet hardware, and a unique circular window that fills the space with natural light. With its historic presence, zoning flexibility, and solid upgrades, this one-of-a-kind home is ready for its next chapter. Bring your vision and make it real.